So we're sitting here enjoying the rocket heater, the Liberator Rocket Heater. A little fire there, some scrap wood heating our place up here. And this is the accessories. This is the lid for the clean out down here that came with it. And then this is the one I made out of high temperature glass because I like looking at that little fire. This is a handy scraper to stick in there when it's cold in the morning to pull all the ash out into a dustpan and throw out on the garden. Gotta have one of those by here. Anytime you have a fire, wood stove or whatever, you should have one of these. These are very helpful. And this is great for lighting, especially if I use one of these little fire starter squares. Those are just a little bit of wax and sawdust pressed into a board. Stick that thing in there with the fuel when you're starting it, gets it nice and hot so that the gases coming off of the wood start to burn quickly and give us a nice draft. This is just little chunks of scrap wood. There's my box of firewood. That box ought to burn all day on a nice cold day. You just put them in here in this long feed tube, and they drop down as they need them. This is really nice for starting it quick. This is a lovely accessory. This is a stainless steel pellet feeder. Goes with this. This is upside down, but this tube sits down inside of the feed tube, and you fill that hopper with a bag of pellets, and they drop down into this little basket here that slides in where the fire is right now. And you light that on fire, and as the pellets start to burn, they drop down into the basket, and the draft keeps them burning nice and hot, even without electricity. This is one of the few pellet heaters that's available that doesn't need electricity, which is kind of cool because it kind of sucks to have wood heat and then not have heat when the power goes out. So check it out. Liberator Rocket Heater at rocketheaters.com. Tell them Uncle Mud sent you, and they'll give you a discount. If you like this sort of thing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or support our work and get access to exclusive mud and fire content at patreon.com/Uncle Mud. Thank you.